Guys, Patrick here with Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. Doing another video today out at a homeowner's in Aurora, and I want to explain to you guys what we're doing for our border. So a border piece is basically just a piece that's going to come on our edge here. It accentuates the deck a little bit. We have an overhang over our fascia. It's almost like a decorative piece. So the first thing that we do is we have our deck boards laid here, and we came through with our spacers. We have it screwed off. We leave about 3/16 inch or so for spacing because these composite deck pieces will actually expand and contract depending on the weather and the cold or heat. So we want to leave spacing, and also for water runoff. So now that we have our decking screwed down, we're ready for a piece of border. And we have a few lines here. This blue chalk line that you see on the outside is going to be our cut for the border. What we do for that is we come over here to this 45. So this is our first piece of border that we have. Now we're running one perpendicular to the house. And what we do for that is we come off our short point here, and we're going to pull back just 3/16 of an inch for that gap that I just explained to you guys, and snap a line all the way down to the house. That's going to be square and look nice. The next step in laying a border is going to be setting your saw. We want to have the right depth on our saw for a few reasons. Number one being that we don't cut through our tape. Under these deck pieces right here, we have this Vycor tape, which acts as a weather barrier to our beam on the edges, and we want to make sure that's not compromised. So right depth for the saw, snap your line, and now we're ready to cut. So what I like to do is kind of start my cut this way, and then I'll switch back and run it all the way as long as I can to the house. And you want to do this nice and slow and be very precise with this cut, because again, this is a decorative piece, a border. This is going to really accent your deck and make it look pretty nice. So take your time with this. And being that I do have the right depth for this saw, it may not saw all the way through because I don't want to cut that tape. So you might have to take a chisel or even a hammer and bang these end pieces off at the end. This composite gets kind of nasty here when you start cutting it, so make sure you can always see your line. You're going to have to blow it off every now and again. Clear this out. Or use a blower. Now, little gap left there. Like I said, you might have to take a chisel with some of these. Most of them should pull right off if your depth is right on your saw. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you cut an edge for a border piece on your deck. If you have any questions, our YouTube channel, The Deck Answers, also our Facebook page at Covers and Decks. Thanks for watching. We'll do another video again soon.